Hi everyone. Welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach you how to unlock support.apple.com/iPhone/passcode screen. Method 1. Reset iPhone on support.apple.com/passcode screen. This is the no computer solution. You can tap Forgot Passcode option on the lock screen. Then tap Start iPhone Reset. Enter the Apple ID password. OK, tap Erase iPhone to confirm. Well, the iPhone is reset to factory settings. You need to set it up again. Method 2. Unlock your locked iPhone with Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Open Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner webpage. After that, download and install the software. Now open Cocosenor iPhone Passcode Tuner. Click Unlock Lock Screen, and click Start. OK, connect the iPhone to your computer. Then make your iPhone enter recovery mode. See, the iPhone shows a recovery screen now. Go back to your computer, and click Next on the software interface. Your iPhone details are listed here. Click Download. The firmware package is downloading. Oh, the firmware is verified success. The software tells users this unlocking process will erase all iPhone data. If you are OK with this, click Unlock. All right, you made it. The iPhone restarts on the Hello screen. You can set it up now. If needed, you can create a new passcode to lock your iPhone. Method 3. Fix support.apple.com/passcode screen with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes. Click Restore on the prompt. Now click Restore and Update. OK, just wait for a few minutes. The iPhone is restored to factory settings. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.